To change the version on the Digital Watchdog 16 channel encoder, model is DW-CPUHD16. If you want to change the version to the latest one, just connect this USB. There's a USB port. So to the USB slot underneath the VGA cable. Then with the mouse, you want to right click and you go to setup menu. You hover over system and configuration. You go to system info. This will show you the machine's current version. What you want to do now is go to upgrade. Make sure that this first one is on USB because we put in a thumb drive on a USB port. Then you hit scan here, and then it'll show you the file. Go down here, go to start. After about 10 seconds, you'll see this come up on the screen. The encoder will reset on its own. It took about 2 to 3 minutes for it to download, and it takes about say about 2 minutes for the compressor to reset. Just give it a few more minutes. There we go. So now we have it back up and running. I only have one camera connected to it. I have the password on default, so it's nothing on it. I right click. Okay. Want to go back to menu and system, configuration, system info, and now you can see the current version. It's upgraded to 22. And that's it. First thing you will need is a thumb drive or flash drive, because we will need to download the latest version from the Digital Watchdog website. So I will go to Google, type Digital Watchdog, and once it sends me to its website, I will go to products, scroll down where it says compressor encoders. And I will scroll down until I will see the 16 channel compressor and the 4 channel compressor. I will select the 16 channel because that's what I'm working with. And right here, I will click on software. And this is your firmware download. So you want to click on download. After you download it, the files will look like this. And now what you want to do is plug in your thumb drive. And right here, I have my thumb drive. Came up on L. So what I want to do is just put this to one side, so they're side by side to each other. And I'm just going to select the files and just drag them over. Okay, great. As you can see, I now have both files on my thumb drive, flash drive, and now I can disconnect the flash drive and we can go now to the compressor.